Airplanes, Part 2 by Timothy Adams Jr. Black love in a hospital room. Black love. So I'm in a hospital, right? Forensic lights humming, machines beeping, time moving slow. And for some reason, I'm thinking about Tenny Pendergrass. Thinking about soul. Thinking about tenderness. Thinking about how much loving my woman will receive. You know, if I had one. Because I just don't imagine romance. I imagine presence. I imagine holding her hand while she's bringing life to this world. Not pacing, not panicking, not absent, but steady, grounded, soft. A father who is present, not angry, not distant, not repeating cycles, but healed. See, I know what black love feels like, baby, even before it arrives. It feels like recognition, like familiarity, like it feels like two histories shaking hands for the first time. And yeah, sometimes you meet someone and your spirit gets excited, ready to say, I love you, way too early. Ready to believe that life got better the moment you walked in. But wisdom, it whispers, pump your brakes, slow down. See, the moms didn't raise me on no fantasies, right? She raised me on ethics, on mannerisms, on discipline. She told me, boy, never raise your hand at a woman. You hear me? Never break what you didn't build. Never stop loving of dignity. And while she raised me to protect, society raised her to survive. Told her to be strong, to be guarded, to be the baddest thing alive, to never let her walls fall too fast. So when she turns me down or hesitates, I don't take it as rejection. I take it as history speaking through her silence. Because my mama also said, son, listen here. Love her from your soul. Not from ego. Not from pride. Not from possession. But from patience. She taught me that a black woman is not just a person. She is an expensive palace. A sacred kingdom. Rarely invaded, carefully guarded, and if you enter with honor. She told me to treat her like diamonds. Rare to behold, costly to form, pressured by life, yet still shining. So she feels like Helen, right? Misunderstood. Tired, carrying both beauty and burden at the same time. I become her Orlando. Yeah, not to save her, but to stand right here beside her. To be what she needs from a man, while also being what she's missing in a friend. Consistency, safety, understanding, Because black love is not loud all the time. Sometimes it's quiet strength. Sometimes it's holding space. Sometimes it's saying, I got you, without even saying a word. And I know a heart is something sacred. Yeah. Not fragile, but valuable. Not weak, but deeply felt. And I treasure that. I just, man, I just pray that when the time comes, I have the strength, the patience, and the maturity to hold it the right way. Because black love isn't just romance, it's legacy, it's healing, it's choosing each other in a world that never made it easy for us to love softly.